Good afternoon everyone! It's another happy day because today, pupunta tayo sa Sydney, Australia! It's my second favorite city. Dati kasi when I used to work for this creative agency, may roadshow kami doon ng twice a year. So I stayed there for about 2 to 3 weeks at a time. And during those time, na-in love talaga ako sa Sydney. Like their coffee, the culture, the vibe. They have amazing pastries. And they have the best cookies in the world. Papakita ko yun sa inyo. So today, pupunta tayo doon via Qantas. It's also one of my favorite airlines. And ang pinaka-highlight din ng trip na to is this time, matatimingan natin yung Vivid Sydney. So tara, sama kayo, gala tayo. Okay, so pa-check-in na kami. Tapos na ako magbayad ng travel tax. And as you know, Sydney is very particular about their biosecurity. So maraming checks. Ayun, iniisa-isa yung bag, ina-open nila. It's a standard pag sa Sydney or sa Australia kayo pupunta. Okay, we're here at A Lounge. Naramdam yung pagsara ng pags kasi usually hindi to napupuno ng ganito. Pero ngayon maraming tao, pati sa Marhaba. Anyway, we'll just spend about an hour here. Tapos punta tayo sa boarding gate. And update, totoo nga, hindi na humahawak yung ibang staff ng passport. So yung kailangan lang talaga like yung airline personnel and immigration. Kain muna kami! Nandito na tayo sa boarding gate pero tingnan mo, ang haba ng pila because they also need to check yung hand carry mo. Katulad nung swabbing na ginawa nila kanina dun for check-in luggage, pati dito. Let's go to Sydney! Where's the plane? That's the plane, oh. Our favorite airline, Qantas. Do you see the kangaroo? There it is. The tail, look. Takas tayo sa malamig. Hello. Good evening.
Please place your bags either under the seat in front of you or
Thank you. Yes. Thank you.
A bag must also be placed in the overhead locker. And if you are seated naman ay sa ilalim ng upuan sa inyong malapak. Salamat po.
There you go. Yep, that's right. You sit there. There you go. Sanitize. Pero tingnan mo, malinis sila. Okay, nandito na tayo sa plane. Ang init. Pakita ka entertainment system. Let's see what's on, Surreal. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, they have new movies. So, ang natatandaan ko rito sa Qantas before is that you can watch na pag nakaupo ka. Tapos, pag important announcements lang siya, mahihinto. Yung sa sa EVA Airways, hanggat hindi nagte-take off.
Mufasa.
They have lots of movie. Let me see if they still have
I wonder if
Family Guy. Like comedy. They used to have that, Yeah. Let's see if they still have it.
I wonder if they have Inside Out.
I think, wala na, yun lang. That's it.
They have Family Guy.
Yeah, they don't have it anymore. Well, that was years ago.
Well,
Kids. Go to kids. Yeah.
kids. Oh, kids.
Kids movies there.
Kids movies.
Okay. I think they will have it for sure.
A 1, a 2. I will watch that later.
Okay.
Is there Inside Out?
Well, maybe because it's been a long time. Wala.
Today, I'm flying on an Airbus
So,
A175
one of the
helicopter.
things I like about Qantas is yung safety video nila.
And
really
you're in a
interesting
Qantas
and
Airbus
engaging.
A330.
Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the clasp into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. If your seat is fitted with a sash belt, ensure it's in.
You'll find your life jacket under your seat, next to it, or in the leg rest. Remove your life jacket from the pouch by pulling the tab. Put it over your head, pass the strap around.
Eto na si Qantas. Mag-start na siyang busikin tayo. Eto muna, snacks. Nuts and water. Okay, so ito na yung food natin. This is the leche flan. This is bread. Tapos noodles or pancit. Tapos quesadilla is chicken and potatoes. Meron ding bread and leche flan. Inaantay pa namin yung kay Pipoy. Okay, so far parang medyo bumaba ng konti yung quality nung food. Hindi ko pa natikman, pero kasi before, parang medyo mas marami yung sides. Like for example, yung bread, wala siyang butter ngayon. The last time I flew with Qantas was 2022. But, let's see. Basta yung last. Not good. Oo. Tikman natin yung pancit. Pancit medyo okay naman.
Yun ang sa akin mamaya.
Yep. So, ang gagawin kasi namin, tatlo yung choices. Merong noodles, pork, and chicken. So, I got the noodles, tapos si Sir yung chicken, tapos si Biboy kukunin niya yung pork. This tofu. Okay naman pa sa tikman mo. Try natin yung chicken and potatoes. Pero itsura pa lang, I think this is tomato sauce. Tomato sauce ba siya? Wait. Try natin. Okay naman. Okay. Try naman natin ngayon yung leche flan nila. Although medyo nakaka-turn off yung tsura niya kasi parang it's like jelly natin. Hindi siya texture ng leche flan. Parang hasong jelly. Tapos, sobrang tamis na lasang artificial. What happened, Qantas? Malapit na mag-land. How are you, Surreal? Good? Just landed. Thank you. Welcome back to Sydney, Surreal. She's on. Hindi pa kami nakakalabas ng airport. May nakita na, who's Jellycat ba? Meron pa rito, baby, oh. Ayan, there's a dog here and a hippo and a bunny. And then, is that a monkey? Oh, are you sure you want that? Cute nga ng bunny, oh. Yeah, that's cuter.
Okay.
You want that better? Yeah, okay. Right back. Starting strong. Oh, no. Starting strong si Cyril. Ano, record-breaking to, mahala. Ano pa lang, 3 minutes from out of the plane. Cha-ching!
Siguro yan yung 119. Jellycat Beer, dito lang yan. Sa London daw pala yan.
Okay. Okay, katatapos lang namin sa passport control. Ang chika-chika ni Kuya. Kasi yung cap ni Pipoy, tinanong siya kung Chicago fan daw siya. Sabi niya na, Brooklyn. And kunan na natin yung luggage. Ganyan karami yung tao. Oh, anong carousel pala tayo? Gaan? Okay, got our luggages. At ito palabas, pilang malala ulit to. Kasi, you have to check yung dineclare mo versus your luggages. Although, hindi naman sobrang busisi, pero minsan, ikaw yung mapipili. Okay, natapos din sa biosecurity check. What can you say about the dog? Yeah, you saw a dog in action?
He's a girl, right?
She's a girl.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's a girl.
Nandito na tayo. And that's the smell of Sydney. Okay. Here we go. Oy, sakto lang yung lamig. Right? Where's Daddy? Sakto lang yung lamig, di ba?
Daddy.
Alright, let's go. So, sinend na nung sundo namin yung instructions kung saan kami pupunta. We just have to find it. So, dito lang yon. Public pickup. Okay, susundan lang natin yan, yung public pickup. There. Galing, oh. Merong free SIM cards. So, in case maubusan tayo, kuha tayo. But actually, wag na. Ang hassle, no? Oo. Pero yeah. So, paglabas nyo ng airport, may free SIM card dito. And it's from SIM Planet. Optus ata yung network. Okay, let's go. Pwedeng i-top up yan. We'll just follow this blue line. Ano na, parang
Parang Korea lang din.
parang Korea yung lamig. No, ano,
Huli punta natin.
huling punta natin. Ano yun? Autumn. I love the weather. Sakto lang. Malamig pero hindi hit-tech levels yung lamig. Sarap. Oh my God. Ayan na yung sounds. Yung nostalgic na sound. Kaya pa ata eh. Tara, tara, mahal. Tara, come on, Cyril. Oh no. Okay, I saw it. Ayan na si Daddy. Alright, Cyril, go ahead. Is there a child seat? Wala yung child seat mo.
Mami, ito ate yung
Ha?
yung car na
Really? Okay, na-pick up na tayo. Papunta na tayo sa accommodation natin. Okay, we're here. Dito tayo sa Meriton, dito sa Kent Street. Can Daddy handle it? Kunin mo yung maliit, baby girl. I can smell the curry. Kaya mo? Alright, let's go check in. Oh my God, ang bango. Okay, got our key. Let's go. Ang bango rito. Hotel lifts. Okay. Dito tayo. Oh. You need to tap the card. Wait. 19. Okay, take E. Yan, okay. Oh, there it is kagad. Next to the elevator. Okay, you open it nga. I want to see your face. No, you have to tap the ano. Okay. Alright. Hello everyone! Nandito na tayo sa Sydney and we're staying here at Meriton Suites. Pag pumunta kami rito sa mga Meriton, talaga kami nagstay. Ang paborito namin yung dun sa World Square, kaso wala silang 1 bedroom lang. Yung mga nakita ko na is 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom. So dito kami sa may Kent Street banda. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so pagpasok mo, ayan, kita mo na agad yung buong living room area, pati yung sa may balcony sa labas. Pero dito, merong wash area and dryer. Dito rin. Ayan. Andito pala yung ano, plancha. Tapos, ang laki ng ref nila. Ayan. And then, may microwave dito, coffee maker, tapos sink, and then may lutuan din, may stove, may oven. Tapos, why are you hiding, Cyril? Dito may study area, tapos ito yung pinaka living room area niya. And then, dito yung dining area. Okay, tapos dito yung bathroom niya. Ayan siya. There's a tub. And that's the toilet. Punta tayo sa bedroom. So, ayan yung bedroom niya. It's a king-size bed. And then, there's the TV. Ang laki ng TV. And there's cabinet here. Oh, you can come here and check it. Yeah, so ito yung cabinet niya, malaki rin. See? And then, there's the safe. Okay, tapos dito yung balcony area. So, ayan. May tambayan tayo rito. And let's look at the view. Hi World Square! Oh my God, favorite ko nagstay talaga malapit dyan kasi nakikita nyo ba yung Kohl's Supermarket? I love going there. Dyan bibilhin yung best cookie in the world. So ayan, nakikita natin yung light rail, oh. Sa baba. Yeah, and look, McDonald's is just across the street. Alright, so magsa-settle down muna tayo. About the flight, okay naman si Qantas, yung walang delay, mabilis din yung baggage nila or luggages nila to come out. Pero napansin ko yung drop in quality. Like yung sa area nyo, no? Ang tagal ng food. Grabe, parang halos tapos na kumain yung ilang passengers, pero sa kanila, ang tagal. Nabawasan din yung snacks nila. Dati as in, di ba meron? Tapos yung chocolate nila, before Lind pa yon. Ngayon, ano na lang, Cadbury na lang. Oh, hindi kayo nabigyan, no? So, medyo nag-drop yung quality ni Qantas. Pero, okay pa rin naman. Malinis, on time, yun yung importante. Pero yun lang, sa food service, ang tagal talaga nila. So, anyway, yun lang. Magpapahinga muna kami. We'll see you later. Bye!